Good morning, Caitlin. Thank you for sharing your piece and experience your trusted advisor. I really enjoyed reading it. My first comment here was just in the first paragraph, and I said, I have a feeling I will always comment on your ability to create a visualization for your reader and use those descriptive words to really grab your reader's attention and make them feel like they're wherever you are writing and looking at what you're looking at when you're writing. So that's awesome. Your descriptive words are incredible. So keep up that good work. As I kept reading, I enjoyed seeing how you made a connection to Stalin's mentor text that we had to read, or got to read, I should say. In the second comment, I made a comment to your implementing mentor text can help you and your students recognize quality work within a selected category, as well as developing specific powerful language. I thought it was great to put an endnote here to kind of walk your reader through what the process was of using the mentor text, just to speak to your agenda. I thought you did a really good job of taking me through what that process was, giving me enough information to know that it would be good for my students to use, but then also leaving me with, I want to know more about it. I want to know the different examples and things like that, so giving me that author to look up her experience with the mentor text was great. But then at the same time, with that same endnote, where you put it, I said I almost expected to learn how you could make a connection, or students could develop their specific and powerful language. So I wonder if this could be two different endnotes, and maybe you could talk a little bit about how mentor texts help the students develop that language. Excuse me. And then reading on down, I just said that fourth endnote, I really like how you put a bit of your own experiences into your writing to just kind of help that reader, again, make a connection to the writer, and to let them know that this strategy was going to stretch their brain. It was going to make the students think, which is always a good thing. So again, thank you. As always, I enjoy reading your writing, and thanks for letting me critique it.